Welcome to this full body flow, a wonderful way to stay consistent with Pilates and feel good. When you're ready to begin, let's have your thighs parallel to one another and come towards the back edge of your mat, resting down onto your forearms. The head can nod forward and take 3 deep breaths here. Allowing yourself to settle into this position a little bit more. And your next breath in, start to extend through your head, your neck, your upper spine. And then exhale, return. So as you come up, lengthen, imagine a turtle peeking out of its shell. And exhale, roll yourself up, keeping pelvis towards the heels of your feet. Inhale. Exhale, head nods down, hands on the mat, and extend through your spine. Your arms will stay straight. So extending through. Then exhale, rolling back up to where you were. Inhale. Trying to keep pelvis to heels as you extend. And this time, making it a little bit bigger. Rolling yourself up to high kneel. Arms reach up and rolling down. Hands on the mat. Slide your arms forward and extend through your spine here. Exhale, rolling up. Inhale, arms. Rolling down. And find that beautiful movement through the back. One last time to roll forward and moving through the spine. Then slide onto your front side. Legs are long. Hands can be right underneath the shoulders, looking to one side. Inhale, bring yourself up, small spine extension, then look to other side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. And having this in the upper middle back. So abdomen stays really still right now. It's not gonna press heavier on the mat or lift away. And staying here, your hands can stay where they are. Come underneath the forehead or reach long. Just play with what feels nice for you here. One heel pulls in towards you, reaching that leg straight again. Heel to pull in, just straight. Keeping your heel in. Now flex and point your foot. Flex and point. Flex. Circle the ankle. Reverse the direction. Keeping your foot flexed, lower the leg halfway down, pull it in tight. Lower half to pull in. Lowering the leg all the way down and switch sides. Full heel in and leg goes all the way straight. Keeping your heel in, flex and point. Circle the ankle. Then reverse the direction. Lower half, heel in. Another time here. Your leg will lower all the way down and roll onto your side now on the mat. Lift top leg up and reaching your leg back and return. Reaching back, and you decide, top hand can stay here or both hands behind your head. Adding on, reaching your leg front and back. Bigger front. So finding your full range of motion, keeping the rest of your body nice and still. Very nice. Bring leg in line with the lower leg, roll it out and bicycle in and up. Just allow yourself to continue to breathe deeply through this. Your leg reaches down and reverse. Two more times. Keeping your knee in, foot comes in front or foot behind if you prefer. Flexing your bottom foot, lifting straight leg up and down. Now lifting up, point through your foot, flex and down. Up, point, flex and down. Another time here. Very nice. And slide your top leg long, just so that you can bend both knees and come into mermaid. So in your mermaid position here, reaching one arm up and bend over, and think more bending from your rib cage and then coming right back up. So nice and up as you stretch over. Then switch your arms and find that bend over side. Both hands come behind your head and rotate and switch sides. Take your time for this rotation. And go back into bending over and up and second side. Again, more from the ribs doing this bending. Very nice. Both legs come to the second side and get yourself all set up. Straight legs, lifting top and reach it back and return. So your top hand can stay or both hands behind. And adding on, big sweep front and back. Trying to stay as still as you can and rest the body as your leg is moving. Very nice. Leg comes in line, roll it out, and big open bicycle. And take your time to get that beautiful range of motion. Then reverse its direction. Almost there. You'll keep your thigh in, your foot comes down, in front or behind. Flex your bottom foot, lifting up and down. Adding on the pattern, lift, point, flex, and lower. Almost there. One last time. Top leg will go straight, just so that you can bend both knees into mermaid position. Reaching arm up, and again, bend more from rib cage rather than just thinking down. Lift and lengthen and stretch up and over. And give it a go on the second side. Find that stretch up and then a little bit over. Both of your hands will come behind your head. rotating to one side, and then switch. Maybe sensing growing a little taller. You'll stay center this next time. So go back into your bend over side and second. May feel different one side to the other, maybe because of how your legs are positioned. Very nice. Have a seat on your mat now, sitting tall, whether your legs stay bent or they go more straight, arms parallel. Now lift your arms up and angle your spine forward slightly. Press your arms back to parallel. And repeat that lift. Try to tilt or tip forward. And return. And as you return, roll yourself back this time, rolling back. And then bending forward, stretching through your back. And rolling back up. And find that tip forward. And repeat, curling back. Bending forward. Rolling back. Finding that tip. Another time. Very nice. Bring the legs to parallel. Scooch closer to the feet and let your arms reach forward. Reverse and roll yourself all the way down onto your back. You might want to slide your feet a little closer and towards you. Hands can stay on the thighs. Inhale. And exhale, curling your pelvis up towards the arms. So really feel the hips press up into the arms and then rolling back down. And repeat this. So of course, if you don't like the arms here, they can be in their more traditional position. Just really prioritize that beautiful movement, pelvis to lower spine, and the suppleness of your back as you roll down or roll back up. Another time here. You'll stay up for a breath or two. Float the arms directly to the ceiling. Let the shoulders be heavy, pressing strongly into the feet. Then reach your arms behind your head, still pressing strongly into the feet. And find that suppleness through your upper spine to roll down your middle spine, your lower, all the way to pelvis. Circle sweep the arms by the side of your body, down onto the mat. Bend one knee in towards you, up to the ceiling. Reach it long, bicycle down. So single leg bicycle here. And prioritize how big can this motion be, allowing the rest of the body just to stay still. Your leg will pause up, reverse the direction in, low and big lift. So trying to get that stretch of the back of the leg as the leg pulls in. Reset the foot and switch sides. Opposite knee in, up and forward. Next time your leg reaches up, pause and reverse it, reaching low, up and in. Reset both feet down. And reaching your arms to the ceiling, interlace the fingers, hands behind your head. Exhale, curl up. Find that upper ab curl. Bring the legs up and cross at the ankles, a little diamond shape with your legs. Exhale, your pelvis lifts and down. Little curl with the pelvis down. Pause, switch the cross of your legs, and again, a little lift and down. One last time. Shoulders and head lower down, your arms by your side. Extend the legs as much as you can, heels together, toes apart. Your legs will open, flex, and squeeze together. And open, flex, and squeeze. Very nice. Now go back into that cross ankle position, knees bent. Head and shoulders down or curl up again. And little pelvis curls up and down. One last time. Switch the cross of the ankles. And again, up and down. Go back to legs up to the ceiling. And again, open, flex to close. One last time. Very nice. Bend the knees in. Curl into your tight ball shape and start to do little rocks, until they become bigger, rolling like a ball. And this should feel so nice along your spine. This next time, staying up, having a seat in a cross-legged position. Inhale, extend through your spine. Exhale, round through. Then just come to where your natural curves of your spine are. Deep breath in, long breath out. I hope you're feeling so incredible in your body and that you'll continue feeling that way no matter where your day takes you. As always, I hope you have a beautiful day and that you can join me on the mat soon.